Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, we are going to make another authentic recipe using our Indian clay pot or earthenware pots. We are making Thakkali Kulambu or tomato gravy. This dish pairs very well with rice, idli, or dosa. Tomatoes, shallots, and garlic. Let's begin with chopping the vegetables. You can grind them separately into a fine paste, but I prefer to chop them finely. Shallots give a great flavor to this recipe. Now let's grind the masala. Coconut, fennel seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, add enough water and grind it into a fine paste and set it aside. Now let's soak some tamarind in the water. Heat a pan. Add sesame oil. Sesame oil gives a great flavor to this recipe. Add mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Add curry leaves, add garlic and saute. Add chopped shallots and saute for 7 minutes on low heat. Add chopped tomatoes. Turmeric powder, salt for taste, and mix well. Sambar Masala. If you don't have Sambar Masala, you can add red chili powder. Saute and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add tamarind extract. Bring it to a boil. Add the grinded masala and mix well and bring it to a boil for 5 minutes. Jaggery powder is optional. Turn off the flame and garnish with cilantros. Hot, steaming rice with some sesame oil and a really big scoop of tomato gravy. Okay, maybe 2 wouldn't hurt anyone. Now it's time for me to decide. Should I mix in the rice in the gravy or should I just take it from the side? I'm confused. How do you guys like to eat? Comment down below. Yummy. It tastes delicious. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!